Here the model is, so today class is, what is the model? The model is one by ax square plus bx plus c, 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c, and next one 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c. So today class we discuss about 1 by root of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c, and 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c, and root of ax plus x square plus bx plus c. That means this is will be converted into 9 standard formulas. Here what is the procedure? The procedure is, so first one we have take that here the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is a. So taken outside the coefficient of x square. That is, take outside the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. And second one is, so that is ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c. This will is converted into sum of squares. Sum of squares. So that is x square plus or minus a square. That is, we convert that a square plus bx plus c is convert into x square plus or minus a square. And third one is, apply the standard formula. Apply the standard formula. So we know that 9 standard formulas and remaining formulas. Standard formulas. Okay, so the first problem is, first problem is 1 by integral of 1 by x square plus 2x plus 5 into dx. So that is here that this form is, what is the solution? The solution is, so we compare that, what is the form? The form is 1 by ax square plus bx plus c integral. So what is that ax square plus bx plus c? That is nothing but x square plus 2x plus 5. Here the coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. So we did not take outside. Okay, this is the x square plus 2x plus 5. Step 2 is convert into a sum of square. That is x square plus or minus a square. So how we are convert the conversion is, so here x square plus 2x plus 5, this can be written as x square plus 2ab, 2 into x. So if writing as a 1, then we get the 2 into 1, that becomes to 2. That means it is in the form of 2ab, and we do not have a b square term. So that's why we do that, add and subtraction of b square. That is, add and subtraction of of 1 square. So this is the form is, we need a plus b whole square that is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this formula will be helpful for this one. So up to this one, this part, we can write that x plus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is nothing but x plus 1 whole square plus 4. So finally we get that x square plus 2x plus 5 can be written as x plus 1 whole square plus the 4 can be written in terms of square, 2 square. So this is converted into x square plus or minus a square form. That is, step 2 is completed. The third one is, so we apply that integration 1 by x square plus 2x plus 5 into dx, that is nothing but 1 by x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. So what is the original form? The original form is, what is the original value? That is the integral of x square plus a square. We know that 9 standard formulas. That value is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So here that we comparing these two, x equal to, what is the value of x? X equal to x plus 1 and a is equal to 2. We substitute in formula. If it is a 1, then it can be written as 1 by 2 tan inverse of x plus 1 by 2. That is integral of 1 by x square plus 2x plus 5. This can be written as 1 by 2 tan inverse x plus 1 by 2. At last, after integration, we can add c. So the problem is completed. Next one is if there is one by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. If we have this form, then it can be written as the first one. We compare. How we are compare that integral of, there is a root is involved. What is the difference between the first one and second one? In the first one problem, there is no root. In a second problem, we have a root is involved. So for that, what is the first step? The first step is, so ax square plus bx plus c taken as a coefficient of x square as a common. That means here the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. That means we did not to taken as a common value. Did not to taken as not to taken as 1 as a common. Okay. And step 2 is, what is the step 2? The step 2 is ax square plus bx plus c is convert into the form of sum of squares, x square plus or minus a square. So for that, here we convert that that is x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to, we apply that either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. That is nothing but x square plus 2 into x into 1. This is a b value. Just we add and subtract of b square, that is a 1 square minus 1 square plus 3. So we apply that formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Already we know this formula. So up to this part, we can write that x plus 1 whole square and minus 1 plus 3. We know that minus 1 plus 3, the value is equal to 2. So finally ax square plus, that is x square plus 2x plus 3, that can be written as x plus 1 whole square, and 2 can be written in the form of square, that is root 2 whole square. Finally it is in the form of x square plus r minus a square. That is, we do the integrate, that is 1 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. This is nothing but, so 1 by what is the value, root of x plus 1 whole square plus root 2 whole square into dx. So the standard formula, what is the standard formula? The standard formula, integral of 1 by root of x square plus a square into dx, this form. So that is nothing but a sin h inverse x by a. So we get that here that x equal to x plus 1 and a is equal to root 2. What is the value? So here x equal to x plus 1 and a equal to root 2. So we substitute in this formula 1, substitute in 1. So we get that 1 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 into dx. This is nothing but sin h inverse x value. What is the x value? X plus 1 by a. A is nothing but root 2. After that we can add c. So the problem is completed. And next one, the third problem is root of x square plus 2x plus 5. What is the third problem? Integrate root of x square plus 2x plus 5. So for this one, so what is the model? The model is what is the model? The model is integral of root of ax square plus bx plus c. This is a model. What is the step 1? The step 1 is taken as, so coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is equal to 1. That means already 1. If we are taking 1 is a common, coefficient of x square is equal to 1. Coefficient of x square is equal to 1. So we need not to take as a common element. We need not to taken as 1 as a common. Okay, step 2. What is the step 2? That is, step 2 is ax square plus bx plus c can be written as x square plus or minus a square. This form, that is sum of squares. So already we have solved that x square plus 2x plus 5. How we are solving this? This is nothing but x square plus 2ab and plus b square and minus b square plus 5. So up to this part we can write that x plus 1 whole square and minus 1 plus 5, that is nothing but x plus 1 whole square plus 4. That is 4 can be written as sum of squares, that is square, that is nothing but a root 2 whole square. So finally what is the form? The form is x square plus a square form. So we know that integral of x square plus a square into dx. We know the formula. What is the value? X by 2 into, same as it is, we get that x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse x by a. Here we compare that integral of, we written what is the value, that is root of x square plus 2x plus 5 into dx. This is can be written as, how it can be written? So it can be written as a root of x plus 1 whole square into 2 square into dx. So the same formula here, that x equal to x plus 1 and a is equal to 2, that is x equal to x plus 1 and a is equal to 2. If it is taken as a 1, substitute x equal to x plus 1 and a is equal to 2 in 1, we get that x plus 1 by 2 root of x. What is the value of x? That is x plus 1 whole square plus a, nothing but a 2 square, plus a square by 2. A square by 2 is nothing but a 4 by 2 sin h inverse of x by a. X by a is nothing but x plus 1 by 2. So finally we get that x plus 1 by 2 root of, if we are simplify this part, we get that x square plus 2x plus 5 and 4 by 2. We know that 4 by 2 is nothing but a 2 and sin h inverse of x plus 1 by 2. So that is integral of, what is the value? That is, what is the value? The value is integral of root of x square plus 2x plus 5 into dx. Integral of root of x square plus 5 to dx equal to, what final answer is, x plus 1 whole square plus root of x square plus 2x plus 5 plus 2 into sin h inverse of x plus 1 by 2. So we solve this each model in one problem.